they get that feeling when they walk in here that this is where they need to be.
You know, we want to get to know our students. We want to know what's going on in their life. We want to help motivate them.
We're very creative, and we're always looking to be better. Be better in ourselves, be better for the institution, more importantly, be better for the students.
We give out hugs. I do. I'm a big hugger. Our classes are real small, and the teachers genuinely care about our students. They want to see them succeed.
You know, they have a goal. And sometimes, you know, it just takes us to sit down and help them plan out how to reach their goal. And to see them reach their goal, to walk across that stage and to look you in the eye and just simply say thank you means a world of difference.
It's more than just a job for me.
We genuinely care about our students.